Hello modders! This video will show you how to fit a bezel insert to a rotating bezel of an SKX007 case replacement. A bezel insert is usually the cherry on the top of the cake, and it is the last one to be installed when modding. There are bezel inserts in the market that already comes with an adhesive attached into it, and there are those that comes separate from it. All bezel inserts bought from our store, Watch and Style, already comes with an adhesive. Today, we will install an SKX007 flat stealth ceramic bezel insert without an adhesive attached to it. We will need the adhesive that came with the purchase. Use a tweezer to pry the adhesive out. Align and stick the adhesive to the rotating bezel as shown in the video. Flatten the adhesive to the bezel and make sure it is well placed. Pry the other protective side of the adhesive to expose its adhesive part. As a best practice, rotate the rotating bezel counterclockwise. Then rotate it clockwise to ensure that the bezel is not stuck in the middle of a click. Stick the ceramic bezel insert to the exposed adhesive on top of the bezel. Make sure that the 12 o'clock of the insert is aligned to the 12 o'clock of the dial. Press the insert firmly to the adhesive. Your cherry on top of your mod is finally installed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.